Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all you have to open the browser that you are using, in my case it is Google Chrome. Then select more icon, which is 3.1 in the right upper corner, and go to history. Here you will notice clear browsing data tab, smoothly marker, and here you've got basic and advanced features. So just mark everything you want to delete under basic and then switch to advanced. Check also those indicators, also mark everything you want to remove, and finally select the time range. So you can remove history from last hour, last day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. Obviously, once it's about the full cleanup, you have to select all time and then just tap on clear data. Tap on clear, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.